Hey everyone! With all the chatter about rising prices and shifting trends, one big question keeps coming up. Is the California housing market about to crash in 2025? Before we jump into any conclusion, let's take a step back and look at what's really happening. The current state of California housing market, as of 2023, California continues to be one of the most expensive housing markets in the country, second to Hawaii. The median price of single-family home is nearly double the national average. But does it mean that we're heading for a crash? Not necessarily. So key factors in keeping the market: population and migration trends, right? So population is still growing. Despite headlines about people leaving, California population actually grew by 0.6% from July 2023 to July 2024, adding nearly 200,000 new residents. Yes, some are moving to states like Texas and Arizona, but demand for housing remains strong, especially in key metro areas. Now, the economic indicators. The job market, California unemployment rate stood at 5.4% in November of 2024, one of the highest in the nation. While that's a concern, it's also important to remember that many industries like tech, entertainment, and biotech are still thriving high-income job growth. So the income levels, the median household income in Los Angeles is just over $76,000, showing that wages are still competitive, especially in high-demand industries. Now, the housing supplies and demand, we have low inventory thanks to the high property values and Proposition 13, which keep the property taxes low for long-term homeowners. So many Californians are choosing to hold on to their homes rather than sell. This keeps inventory tight, making it unlikely that home prices will suddenly plummet. If you're trying to buy a home, don't try to time the market. If you see something you like, you should buy it. And natural disasters, wildfires, and other environmental factors are always a challenge in California. However, stronger building codes and proactive state measures supposed to help a little, which I can't really say now after the Altadena and Pacific Palisades fires we just had. But will the market crash in 2025? The short answer is no. A crash is unlikely. Yes, there are challenges, high prices, business relocations, and natural risk, but let's not ignore the strong fundamentals keeping the market steady. One is population growth continues. Two, the housing inventory remains low. And three, high demand keeps prices stable. If you're considering buying or selling, staying informed is a key. These trends give us a clearer picture. While the market is evolving, it's not crashing. The housing market is exciting, sometimes unpredictable, but always an adventure. If you're thinking about making a move, let's connect and find the best approach for you. And I just want to say that this video is for informational purpose only and should not be considered financial advice. Always consult with the qualified professionals before making any real estate decisions. I'm shelhee, the founder of Uniquely Real Estate.